Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another episode of My Simple English Podcast. I am your host, Mark.
And I am Sarah. We are so excited to be here with you today. How are you doing, Mark?
I am doing fantastic, Sarah. Do you know why?
No, why are you so happy today?
Because today we are talking about my favorite topic in the whole world. We are talking about travel. Specifically, we are talking about taking a vacation in Europe.
Oh, wonderful. Europe is such a beautiful continent. It has history, it has amazing food, and many different cultures.
Yes, and for our listeners, Europe is a very popular place to visit. Maybe you want to go to Paris, maybe you want to see Rome, or maybe you want to walk on the streets of London.
So, in this episode, we are going to teach you all the English words you need for a European trip. We will talk about booking flights, taking trains, finding a hotel, and ordering delicious food.
We have a lot to cover. This is a big guide, so sit back, relax, and let's start our journey. Sarah, where do we begin?
We must begin at the beginning, Mark. Before you travel, you need to plan.
That is right. You cannot just walk to Europe, you need to prepare. The first question is, where do you want to go?
Europe is not just one country, it is many countries. If you like the sun and the beach, you should go to the south.
The South includes countries like Spain, Italy, Portugal, and Greece. The weather there is usually hot in the summer. It is beautiful.
But if you like snow, mountains, and cozy cities, you might like the north, countries like Sweden, Norway, or maybe Germany and Switzerland.
So, step one is choosing your destination. Destination means the place you are going to.
Once you have a destination, you need a flight.
Yes, you need to book a flight. To book means to buy a ticket and reserve your seat.
Here is a very useful pattern for booking. You can say, I would like to book a flight to,
For example, I would like to book a flight to Paris.
or I would like to book a flight to Berlin.
When you look for flights, you will see two words, one way and round trip.
This is important. A one-way ticket means you go there, but you do not have a ticket to come back yet.
A round trip ticket means you go there and you come back home. Usually for a vacation, you want a round trip ticket.
Mark, do you remember your first trip to Europe?
I do. I went to London. I was very nervous about the airport. I was afraid I would lose my passport.
Ah, the passport. That is the most important document. Listeners, never forget your passport. You also need to check if you need a visa.
A visa is a special permission to enter a country. Some people need it, some people do not. Always check before you travel.
Okay, so we have our tickets, we have our passports. Now we arrive in Europe. Mark, what is the best way to travel inside Europe?
That's easy. The best way is the train.
Yes, in America, we drive cars everywhere. But in Europe, the train system is amazing. It's fast, it's clean, and it's easy.
You can go from the center of one city to the center of another city. For example, you can take a train from London to Paris. It goes under the ocean.
That is the Eurostar. It is very famous. But Mark, train stations can be confusing. There are so many people.
That is true. So we need some vocabulary for the train station. The most important word is platform.
Platform. This is the specific place where the train stops. You wait on the platform.
You will see a big screen with numbers. It might say Paris, platform 4, or Rome, platform 9.
And you need a ticket. You can buy a ticket at a machine.
Let's practice a dialogue. Imagine I'm at the train station. Sarah, you work at the ticket office.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, I would like a ticket to Venice, please.
Okay, one way or round trip?
One way, please.
And when do you want to leave?
I want to leave today around 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, that will be 40 euros, please.
Here you go. Thank you.
That was perfect, Mark. Listeners, did you hear the polite words, please and thank you? These are magic words in any language.
Another important question at the train station is this the right train for?
Oh, yes. Sometimes you are standing on the platform and a train arrives, but you are not sure. You can ask a person near you.
Excuse me, is this the right train for Munich?
Excuse me, does this train stop in Madrid?
People are usually very helpful. If you ask politely, they will help you.
Now, let's talk about where to sleep. We call this accommodation.
That's a big word, accommodation. It means hotels, apartments, or hostels.
What is the difference, Mark? What is a hotel and what is a hostel?
A hotel usually gives you a private room. You have your own bathroom. It's very comfortable, but sometimes expensive.
And a hostel?
A hostel is cheaper. Often you share a room with other people. You sleep in a bunk bed. It's great for young people or students who want to save money.
I stayed in hostels when I was a student. It was fun because I met people from all over the world.
But now that I'm older, I prefer a hotel. I like a quiet room.
Me too. When you arrive at the hotel, you need to check in.
Check in. This is when you give them your name and get your key.
The person at the desk is the receptionist. Let's do another role play, Mark.
Okay, I'm the traveler, you are the receptionist.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Good morning, I have a reservation.
Okay, what is your name, please?
My name is Mark Smith.
Ah, yes, Mr. Smith, a room for 2 nights.
Yes, that is correct. Does the room have a view of the ocean?
Yes, it does. Here is your keycard. You are in room 305.
Thank you very much. Oh, one more question. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Perfect. Thank you.
Listeners, did you hear the phrase, I have a reservation? This is very important. It means you booked the room before you arrived.
And what time is breakfast is the second most important question. I love hotel breakfasts.
Especially in Europe, the croissants in France, the cheese in Holland, the ham in Spain. It is delicious.
Speaking of food, let's talk about eating in Europe.
This is the best part of a vacation, trying new food.
In English, when we go to eat, we say we are going to a restaurant or a cafe.
If you want a table, you can say, a table for 2, please.
Or if you are with a group, a table for 4, please.
Now, here is a cultural tip, Mark. In the US, water is usually free at a restaurant. Is it free in Europe?
Not always. In many European countries, you have to pay for water, and you have to choose still or sparkling.
Still water is normal water with no bubbles.
Sparkling water is water with gas, with bubbles. We also call it gas water or fizzy water.
So the waiter will ask, still or sparkling? You need to know which one you like.
I prefer still water. What about you, Sarah?
I love sparkling water. It feels fancy.
Another cultural difference is tipping.
Ah, yes. In the US, we leave a big tip, maybe 20%. But in Europe, it's different, right?
Yes, in many European countries, the service is included in the price. You can leave a small tip, maybe a few coins or 10% if the service was very good, but you do not need to leave a huge tip like in America.
That's good to know. It saves a little money.
Now, let's talk about sightseeing.
Sightseeing. That's a funny word. It means going to see the famous places, the sights.
For example, seeing the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Colosseum in Rome.
When you go sightseeing, you usually take a lot of photos.
You can say, I want to take a photo.
Or if you want to be in the photo, you can ask someone, excuse me, can you take a photo of us, please?
This is a great way to talk to locals or other tourists. Can you take a photo of us?
When you go sightseeing in Europe, you need one very important thing, Mark. Do you know what it is?
Is it money?
Well, yes, money is important, but I'm thinking about your feet. You need good shoes.
Oh, you are so right. In Europe, you walk a lot. A lot.
The cities are old. The streets are sometimes made of stone. We call these cobblestones. They are beautiful, but they are hard to walk on.
Do not wear high heels. Do not wear uncomfortable shoes. Wear sneakers or good walking shoes. Your feet will thank you.
That is a very good tip. I remember walking in Rome all day. In the evening, I was so tired.
But it's a good tired. You see so many beautiful things.
Mark, what if something goes wrong? What if you have a problem?
We need some emergency English, some phrases for help.
So the most useful phrase is, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Start with excuse me. It's polite. Then, can you help me?
What if you don't know where you are?
You say, I am lost.
I am lost, and then you can show them your map or your hotel address on your phone.
Another very important question is about the bathroom.
Yes, when you are walking in the city, you need to know this. You can say, "Where is the bathroom?"
In the UK, they might say toilet or loo. In general English, restroom or bathroom is fine. Where's the restroom?
Sometimes you have to pay to use the public bathroom in Europe. Did you know that?
Yes, I was surprised. You need some small coins, maybe 50 cents or €1. So, always keep some coins in your pocket.
That is a lifesaver tip. Keep coins for the bathroom.
Let's talk a little bit about the different regions in Europe. Let's talk about the South first.
The South, Italy, Spain, Greece. What is the vibe there?
The vibe is relaxed. The weather is hot. People eat dinner very late.
Late, like 8 p.m.?
Later. In Spain, they might eat dinner at 10 p.m. If you go to a restaurant at 6 p.m., it might be closed.
Wow, so you need to have a late lunch or a snack.
Exactly. Life is slower. People enjoy the sun. They take a rest in the afternoon.
Now, what about the North? Germany, Sweden, the UK?
In the north, things are a little different. People usually eat dinner earlier, maybe 6 p.m. or 7 p.m.
And the weather is cooler.
Yes, even in summer, bring a jacket. It can rain in London or Berlin at any time.
So, for packing, if you go south, bring sunglasses and shorts. If you go north, bring a raincoat and layers.
Layers are clothes you wear on top of each other. A t-shirt, then a sweater, then a jacket. You can take them off if it gets hot.
Mark, I think we should do a big practice session now. We have learned so many phrases.
I agree. Let's do some shadowing.
Listeners, this is your turn. We will say a sentence. We will wait. You repeat the sentence out loud. Don't be shy.
Are you ready? Let's go.
I would like to book a flight.
I have a reservation.
Is this the train to Paris?
Where is the platform?
A table for two, please.
Can I have the bill, please?
Excuse me, I am lost.
Where is the bathroom?
Can you take a photo of us?
This is beautiful.
Great job! If you said those sentences, you are ready for Europe.
I can imagine our listeners sitting in a cafe in Paris ordering coffee in English. It makes me happy.
Me too. Travel is not just about seeing things, it is about talking to people.
And English is the international language of travel. If you go to Germany and you don't speak German, people will speak English to you.
If you go to Sweden, almost everyone speaks English perfectly.
If you go to Italy, the young people speak English well. So your English skills are very useful everywhere in Europe.
Mark, do you have one favorite city in Europe? If our listeners can only visit one place, where should they go?
Oh, that is a very hard question. It's like choosing a favorite child.
Come on, pick one.
Okay, if it's your first time, I think you should go to Rome.
Rome. Why?
Because it is like a museum. You walk on the street and you see history everywhere, which is 2,000 years old. And the pizza, oh my goodness, the pizza!
That is a good choice. I think I would choose London.
London is fantastic too. Why London?
Because the museums are free, and I love the parks. Also, for our listeners, it is great because everyone speaks English. You can practice all day.
That is true, but beware of the rain.
Just bring an umbrella.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today. We learned about choosing a destination, north or south.
We learned about transport, flights, and trains. Remember the word platform.
We learned about accommodation, hotels and hostels. Remember the phrase, I have a reservation.
We learned about food and water, still or sparkling.
And we learned that you need good shoes and some coins for the bathroom.
We hope this episode helps you plan your dream vacation.
Don't be afraid to travel. It opens your mind. And don't be afraid to speak English. People appreciate it when you try.
If you are planning a trip to Europe, tell us in the comments.
Yes, write a comment below. Say, I want to go to, and tell us the country or the city.
I want to read all your travel plans. Maybe we can give you some more tips.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button. It helps us a lot.
And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next lesson.
Thank you for spending your time with us. Learning English is a journey, just like a vacation. Enjoy the ride.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. This is My Simple English Podcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Safe travels.